There you go.
I love that.
Yeah, you need one. This is us hard at work right now.